mathematicians, I want to remind us about the different ways we've learned to represent a number. We've learned to represent a number in standard form, which is just the number. So if I had a number like 247, that's the number 247. I can represent it using its place value, 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 ones. I can write it in words. And remember, when we use words, we don't use the word and when we're saying numbers. We say 247. We don't say and. 240, and then look what happens between the tens and ones, 40-7. Whenever we write numbers, there's a dash that goes between the tens and the ones. So I would write 247. In expanded form, remember, I'm pulling that number apart. And so it looks like this. 200 plus 40 plus 7. That's my expanded form of the number. And then pictorial, I'm just going to draw that. Remember, I just draw squares for my hundreds, 2 hundreds, 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's my 4 or 5 ways that I know to represent numbers. So let's try another one. Get out your math journal and see if you can do it along with me. See if your numbers match mine. So let's do the standard form of the number 163. Can you do the standard form of the number 163? Let's think about its place value. I have 100. How many tens do I have there? Well, in its tens place, I have a 6 tens. And then how many ones do I have there? 3 ones. Then if I write it in word form, I write 100. Remember, there's no and. 160-3. 163. Then in expanded form, I'm expanding it and making it bigger, bringing it out. 100 plus 60 plus 3. And then I'm going to try pictorial form. 100, 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 ones. And there's my 5 ways to represent the number 163. Today, you're going to be doing this exact same thing in Seesaw, but before you do, I want you to try this number sentence and draw this on your in your math journal. And then I want you to take a picture and show me on Seesaw of all the different ways. Okay, so if you need to stop the video to copy these down, you can. But I want you in your math journal to show me the number 258. Can you show me 258 in your math journal? Stop this video, do all the work, and then come back and check and see if you get the same answer that I get. All right, let's see how you did. In place value, let's see, I have 2 hundreds. I have 5 tens, and I have 8 ones. In word form, did you have 200, 50-8? Don't forget the dash between the tens and the hundreds. In expanded form, you should have had 200 plus 50 plus 8. And then in pictorial form, 2 hundreds, 3, 4, 5 tens, 6, 7, 8 ones. Does yours look like mine? If you're struggling with this, let your teacher know, Miss Robinson or Miss Strickland, and we will have some time to help you out, okay? Today, you're going to go on Seesaw, and there's an activity called Ways to Represent Numbers, and that's what you're going to complete. Good luck.